Good morning and welcome to my kitchen and happy pie season. We are in the month of November, which means pies are going crazy. However, some people are not a big fan of pies, or making a pie crust is a little intimidating to you. So this is the pie for you if you are a lover of peanut butter and chocolate. This is a peanut butter chocolate pie and it uses a graham cracker crust. So go get yourself a pie plate, or I mean, if you really wanted to do a pre-made graham cracker crust, you could. I suggest making your own because they're just better. So go grab yourself this is a 9-inch pie plate, and we are going to whip together a yummy chocolate peanut butter pie, and this pie is best the next day. So give yourself a full day before you plan on eating this one. We are just going to start by turning the oven onto 350. Lightly spray it with a little bit of olive oil. For this recipe, you want 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, or about 11 rectangles. Oh, you so fine. 1/3 cup of sugar. I've got a 1/2 cup of melted butter, and yes, it did explode in the microwave and made a very buttery mess. If you wanted to do chocolate graham crackers, that would be really good as well. All right, and you know the drill, just press that nice and firm and up against all of the edges. When this cooks in the oven, it will shrink down a little bit, but that is okay. You're gonna pop this into the oven for 15 minutes. Watch it closely, you don't want it to burn, just lightly golden brown, and then let it cool completely. Oh, what the freak. Julie, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, it's burning on the bottom as we speak. Like, I don't even know what I did. I don't even know what I did. Had it in my hand and flippin' dropped it. I am upset. I really wanted the pie, and I really don't want a stinky house. It's like down in that crevice too. And I'm like more mad because I lost it with one of the kids. Like, that was my fault. But at the exact same time, one of them was like, Mom, I'm like, what? What do you need? Like, I lost it because I was already upset. So now I need to go apologize to one of my children. You didn't think you'd be pulling out your tools again today, did ya?
This is a bigger mess than I thought.
Note to everybody, this is not the process of making a chocolate peanut butter pie. My Air Doctor air purifier is going on full blast. I have it on auto mode, and it picked up the smell or the smoke of the burnt graham crackers, and it is doing its job and working. These are actually still on sale for the Black Friday sale. I will link it down below. They're a little pricey, but you know what? These ones are made with an ultra HEPA filter. They work really well on cleaning your air, having a better air quality to breathe in, especially during the winter where flu season is all around you. And in the Midwest, we get a lot of mold, and so if this place has mold that we didn't know about, it also helps with that. It doesn't take care of the mold issue, but it helps the air that you breathe. Alrighty, bada bing, bada boom. We have a clean oven and we've got a pie crust. Let's get this filling done. Now we are making the filling. You need 1 cup of peanut butter, either chunky or creamy. I am doing the chunky because we are blending it up anyway. A cup of powdered sugar, and not low fat, but full fat cream cheese. All right, I've got my heavy whipping cream that I have whipped up. I'm going to guess that this is about a cup, and I am just going to fold in my peanut butter mixture to that. And you know, I've been using this immersion blender, Landon, you got that from Amazon a couple years ago. I didn't think we would like care for it or like it, but I have used this and this so many times. Fold that together. Yeah, I think if you want it like really creamy, go ahead and do the creamy peanut butter, because even though I blended it together, you can tell it's still just a little like more coarse. Got my pie crust here, and the only way to get little baby ones, extra ones, is if you dump half of it down the oven and like scrape up any leftovers, then you get little extra ones. But I'm going to assume most of you probably won't do that because sometimes this makes quite a bit of extra anyway, and we find ourselves eating it out of the bowl because there's not enough room in the pie plate for it. The kids always love like their own. It's like, oh, I want my own. That's so cute. I am curious, what is your favorite kind of pie? Do you like berry pies, pumpkin pies, peach pies, fruit pies? My least favorite, I will tell you, is pecan pie. Ew, like, Landon and I have similar taste buds. We're okay with pumpkin, but it's not like our favorite, but we like it. We do not like pecans, am I right, Landon? Yeah. We are going to now put all of this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to really let it chill and get cold and set. Then we're going to add the chocolate topping, put it back in the fridge overnight. Okay, now we gotta make room in the fridge. Gotta clean it out. It is 10:30 at night and we are now making the fudge topping for the top of the pie. You want 2/3 of a cup of just heavy cream, not whipped. We are going to place this in a medium-sized pan. 1/3 cup of sugar. My stovetop is not clean, and that is a-okay. 4 ounces of chocolate. Pulled this out of the fridge. I think it's about 4 ounces. Someone has been eating my chocolate chips. I have like this many on the bottom. This is just me cleaning out the refrigerator. You want to slowly melt this for 5 minutes. You do not want to cook the chocolate too high, too fast. Look how smooth this chocolate is. I turned the heat off and I am now adding a tablespoon of my vanilla extract. Yes, this is homemade vanilla extract. I have a reel on how I make this. Maybe I'll try and link it down below. But yep, I made my own vanilla. We're just gonna add a tablespoon to it, and then we're gonna let this cool for a little bit. Should probably do some of these dishes in the kitchen, but we're gonna let this cool and it will thicken as it cools. Get your ASMR and go to bed. I spotted. Go ASMR your way to bed. Do I like my caraway pots and pans? Yes, I do. I have had these for 3 years. They are non-stick, but they are also toxic free. So if you were looking for a toxic free swap when it comes to pots and pans, these are great. I only use wood or silicone utensils, and so I haven't scratched the inside of them. When you go to wash like burnt eggs off of them, it just like comes right off. It's super easy to cook with, and look how pretty they are. They come in lots of pretty colors, so I will link these down below. It would make a really great Christmas gift. All right, we told the kids they could have pie when dinner was done, and they ate as fast as they could. Ooh la la, look at this pumpkin chocolate pie.
You like it.
Well, the first piece is always a little challenging. You are mingling this, Landon. It is okay. Just don't mingle it into the hot oven and we'll be good. Okay, let's take a bite.
This is so scrum delicious. I also have the rest.
All right, we're trying it. Good?
You devoured and demolished.
Good? Good. Okay, if you've got a Thanksgiving party you're going to, check out the description below and I'll write it all out for you guys. Go ahead and make a chocolate peanut butter pie and everyone will thank you. Got a pea. Got a knife. Got a knee. I got some pie. I got some pie.
You're choking on your food. I want this.
Some pie.